College students and campus administrators in Oregon are nervously watching Congress to see whether the final Republican tax plan includes policies that private and public university leaders alike say would be devastating for students and make college less accessible for everyone. Republicans appear to have enough votes to pass the Senate version of their tax plan, but higher education officials say the House version approved November 16 presents far more damaging policy changes that would make college more expensive for graduate students in particular. If the Senate approves its version, which economists have said would largely benefit wealthy Americans and potentially add $1 trillion to the deficit over the next decade, lawmakers will start meeting next week with House officials to reconcile differences between the two bills. Under current law, graduate students who work or teach at their universities while pursuing a degree avoid paying income taxes on tuition waivers or stipends they receive. The House bill eliminates that provision, meaning that thousands of graduate students in Oregon would have to treat their tuition waivers as taxable income on federal filings. That could potentially increase tax burdens by thousands of dollars each year, if not tens of thousands, depending on a student's program and the tuition waiver. Michael Schill, the University of Oregon's president, sent a campus-wide letter this week raising concern about the proposals. Schill said provisions in the House bill could substantially impede the Eugene School's ability to deliver affordable education. The 1,500 graduate students who receive either a partial or full tuition waiver would suffer the most, Schill said. This financial support is vital in enabling them to afford years of graduate education without amassing huge debts, he said in an email to students and staff. In return for this assistance, and as part of their training, graduate students help support faculty research and teach undergraduate courses in the humanities, social sciences, STEM fields, and beyond, Schill added. The House version also eliminates a provision that allows students to deduct as much as $2,500 a year in student loan interest each year. The typical Oregon undergraduate student graduates from the state system with about $27,000 in debt. Private schools also stand to lose under the House bill. Kristen Granger, president of the Oregon Alliance of Independent Colleges and Universities, said earlier this month that the plan is a move in the entirely wrong direction. The House version includes a new excise tax on private colleges with the largest endowment per student enrolled, which does not affect any Oregon institution. Bottom line, between the tax on nonprofit college endowments and the elimination of tax credits that support students, this proposal makes it even harder for students and families to afford college, Granger said in a statement. Andrew Thienathene at Oregonian.com 503-294-4026 at Andrew Thien.